easy go.
Oh hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a calculator on Scratch. And yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into the tutorial. So step number one, you should design the characters for like numbers and all. Design those first. So I'm gonna drop in these stuff real quick, then I'll be back. So guys, I'm done doing all this, and now it's time for me to sort everything out in the right position and all. Position them in such a way that they look real good. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be back after that as well, so that I save some of your time, you know guys. And yeah guys, I'm done positioning them, so now it's time to get into the coding. First up, let's get 1 and 2, all of them ready. So first up, you need when flag clicked, and you need forever. No. Sorry guys. You need to go to when this sprite clicked actually. And when the sprite clicked, we need a lot of variables. First up, let's get flag clicked value 1. Okay. Set value 1 to join value 1 by end 1. But firstly, we need to go here and put set value 1 to it, and just delete that 0, so it will be blank. And then you need to switch this to this like large view. Just put it at the top, so if there's a big value coming up, it can fill up that space and it won't cover up the other ones. And also we need if else. If or, and then we need symbols or whatever you want to name this value. Symbols. Put it over here. Yeah, right over there. No, actually right over here, okay. In the middle. Then when flag clicked, set symbols to blank, duplicate that, and make another variable value 2. So now, and make sure of everything. Actually, just now we have to, if or we need is equal to, if I was really, if the symbols equal to we need to go ahead and type in the plus symbol and duplicate that and put minus, and then next we need to duplicate this or part, we need one. First we need to move this away, move these, and okay. Now all we have to do is fill them up. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and put in this value. I mean, you guys can just put an X, but I'm gonna use the into sign because it's gonna be a bit more. I actually took this from Google. I copy pasted it from Google. Okay, everything is almost set. Okay. Now this part should be this divide sign. If you guys want, you can just put the slash, but I want this divide symbol. This is also taken from Google, but if you're on a tablet or any mobile device, it's gonna be simple for you guys. But better if you guys do this on a laptop or computer. It's much easier to coding and programming. So wait. One more thing that I have to do. Go to sensing. This is fine. For to value 2, I change to value 2. And I guess that's all done. Now for testing, you need to do this part real quick. You can duplicate and put it into each other. When this part clicked, set symbols to this one. No, actually, into sign. Okay, that looks really odd. Yeah, that looks much better. The into sign looked really odd, so you can just put it that way. Plus, you have to change it here as well if you're making any changes there. And then no, it's not. It's still not there. put them the rest as well. Okay. Guess all of them has the same code, right? Yes. So now you switch it to plus this one to minus, and this one to divide simple. Okay, now let's just try it out. Oh yeah, when the sprite clicked, variable set symbols to nothing, and value 1, also value 2. Yep, it works. And now into, yep, that's good. And now we got all the typing systems working, and yeah guys, we can do the next parts in the next video. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and post notifications so that you guys never miss any upload on this channel. Without further ado, let's just roll the outro guys. Peace.